Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'll show you what to do if your XP Pen display tablet says no signal and the important things you need to check to fix it fast. For that, 1. Unplug plus replug all cables, HDMI or USB-C, tightly on both ends. 2. Check XP Pen input source, HDMI or DP or USB-C, and select correct one. 3. Confirm power is on, adapt, or 3. In one cable, connected plus indicator light. 4. Try a different HDMI port and USB 3 port blue. USB. 5. Check PC detects it. Device Manager, Windows, or System Info, Mac. 6. Reinstall XP Pen driver. Uninstall old, then restart, then install new. 7. Test with another cable or another PC or laptop.